Dinosaur Stomp. We learn a new symbol. It's called accent marking. It looks like a dinosaur mouth. In here, how to make very loud sound. Means you have to force the sound very, very loud. How can we play very loud sound? When you place your hand, you go on gravity downwards, so you feel you are heavy, you drag it down. Dinosaur stomp position, G5 fingers. Start from G, bass G, and right hand, treble G. Ready, set, go. G, rest, B, rest, C,